Breaking news in the civil lawsuit against Karen Reed. Court documents show Reed is filing a motion to dismiss several charges in connection to John O'Keefe's death. According to this filing, Reed's lawyers argue the plaintiffs, John's parents, brother and niece, cannot prove they suffered negligent infliction or emotional distress, claiming they were not at the scene nor witnessed John's death. In response, the O'Keefes filed a memorandum in support of their claims, saying they have suffered and continue to suffer, alleging, quote, an unyielding barrage of harassment by Reed and her supporters. The next hearing in this matter is currently scheduled for September 22nd. Reed was acquitted in O'Keefe's death, but was ultimately convicted of drunk driving on the night of the incident. Also tonight, 5 defendants connected to murders in Norfolk County are still pushing to get former State Trooper Michael Proctor's text messages. Federal authorities downloaded Proctor's phone data during their investigation of the Karen Reed case. As investigative reporter Ted Daniel explains, this legal battle got heated in a Dedham courtroom.
The Norfolk DA's office has long had Michael Proctor's phone data from the Karen Reed case. The office is refusing to share or even review that data in other cases, citing a federal protective or secrecy order. Fired State Trooper Michael Proctor texted crude and biased things about Karen Reed. Now an army of lawyers want to see if Proctor said anything harmful about their clients. One of the defendants is Brian Walsh, who's accused of murdering and dismembering his wife Anna in Cohasset. Another is Miles King, who's charged with the 2021 murder in Milton. Norfolk's first assistant DA, Lisa Beatty, told Judge Peter Krupp the office won't touch the Proctor file until a federal judge signs off on it.
Your Honor, I believe reviewing the documents in this context would be a violation of a federal court order.
That's a different question. The question is, does Rule 14 require you to review these documents?
I don't believe it does, Your Honor, in the current posture of this matter.
Attorney Rosemary Scapicchio represents Miles King and one other defendant seeking Proctor's phone data. She tells me it should have been turned over long ago.
A defendant's right to a fair trial, especially in a homicide case where you're looking to put him away for the rest of his life, trumps everything. And it should, you don't have to be told, Commonwealth, that you have an obligation under Rule 14 to investigate this case, to look at the evidence and to turn over anything that's exculpatory.
Scapicchio is also seeking Proctor's texts from his personal phone outside of what may be in the federal materials. Proctor's lawyer spoke to the judge. He said that Proctor got a new phone in February 2024, and that new phone wouldn't have any relevant information. Reporting in Dedham, I'm Ted Daniel for your local station, Boston 25 News.